My friends, let's talk about Aragon. You requested it, here it is. Technical analysis in this extreme fearful crypto market about what is happening with the price of Ant. Up or down, we'll see. Just follow me to the charts. You're still here, thank you for that. What you're seeing on the screen is Ant versus dollar on a daily chart, and this is everything we need for our, let's say, short-term, mid-term, and even long-term analysis. As you can see, it's not looking bearish, it's not looking bullish, it's just moving sideways. It seems like this is the story of current price developments, and it's lasting for a few months. Can we just deduct that Aragon is moving inside of this box, up and down, consolidating phase? Now, the real question is, when we enter out of this consolidating phase, will it be to the upside, will it be to the downside? Let's talk about it. That's why you're here. First, I want to comment on this move from the middle of summer, let's say. And this is where the upside started after that nasty and horrific bear move, and you know what I'm talking about. We started moving up again, and by we I mean Aragon. You can see that this was pretty nice uptrend until, well, it isn't. In here the things change, uptrend was over, and now we are living inside of this consolidation. To be exact, let me remove this and this. I will give you the most important level of support and resistance. If we talk about support, my bet would be somewhere in this region of $4.26. Here you can see that it made resistance before the upside move, and all of this area was one big supportive zone. You can see many bounces. Now in here, yes, we did have a burst to the downside, but how about you think about this move like a bear trap? Many thought this is the end of Aragon when we passed below this support and into the region of $3. They're wrong, because you know, and you can see with this big green candles that Aragon recovered, and now we're again on retracement mode. Is this something significant that you should be scared about? I don't believe it is in any case. First of all, we are still living inside of this consolidation area. So this is neither bullish move, neither bearish move, this is nothing. Price is still just consolidating. But if you know why we stopped here a few days ago, now this is the most important level of this video. In fact, let's remove everything from the screen and just talk about that one level that is the most significant level in Aragon. $7.29 or around $7.30 to round it up. You can see the most important level of resistance. Here it was first point, and this was the point of no return. From that point we went on a downtrend. Second time we encountered here last month, and now a few days ago one more time. This is nothing scary, it's just, if you ask me on any point before this burst, well, will be our biggest point of resistance, I would tell you $7.30. And you can see why. So if you want to watch any price level on your mobile phone, how about you mark that area around $7.30. Now yes, we can move that area to the lower sides to include, for example, this week $6.80, or to include this week, that would be $6.39. But let's not complicate things. I don't like that. I like simple facts, I like simple stuff, and therefore let's just discuss that $7.30, because until we surpass that $7.30, Aragon will be in its consolidating phase. Remember that. We can have all sorts of moves before that level of support that I just gave you and that level of resistance, but until you see something like this, let me draw it for you. For example, let's say we go even lower from this point and one more time to this, and until you see this kind of move, let's say that we are not taking any bullish stance nor bearish, we are just moving sideways, consolidating. And if you see this, a significant level with a full body candle above this level, Aragon is on the horse, or on the dinosaur, or on the bull, whatever you want to call it, we're in a good spot. And by drawing this volume, you can see that there is some cluster of volume that's coming into the market regarding the Aragon right here. And yes, anytime, like here, or like here, when we met that special line that I just drew you, big resistance, look at this, here, big volume, here, super big volume, and right now, cluster of volume. That's why I gave you that number. That's why I said that this $7.30 is the most important level in Aragon. Volume is showing you that. So this might be a good sign, this cluster that you're seeing down there. This all was nothingness, look at this small volume, but in here something is happening. And to confirm my theory of a big consolidation, I will draw you this 34 exponential moving average that held the bounce to the upside here, that held the price on the bear side here, and now we are just chopping around it, up and down, up and down. This is the clear sign of everything I just said, and that is consolidation. There is some possibility that we move in this manner around this moving average quite some time, but then again, if we found a clear support on this 34 exponential moving average, which is at $5.80 at the moment, you could see a resumption and a real boom move to the upside. Now in the short term, as my conclusion, Aragon is not looking bad. It's above 34 exponential moving average. This is good. This is kind of like a preparation for the upside move. And if I plot you 55 exponential moving average, 89, 144, the same thing is unraveling. This is not a bad looking chart. This is just consolidation as the price is going up and down and up and down and up and down. But all of these important guys, this cluster of moving averages is below us. In the last few days, Aragon did a fantastic move to the upside, and if we don't break, like here, where we haven't or wasn't prepared for the move to the upside, if we don't do that and find a clear support on these levels, you have a go. Your coin, Aragon, could move to the much higher levels. And which higher levels I'm talking about, check out in this video, because we made already a price prediction on Aragon. I gave you the levels, it could be fun. Check it out, and I'll see you in that one.